Welcome to Friends Villa. Friends Villa is homestay marketplace for homestay, where you get all kind of homestays, villas, resorts at the different places around India. And I'm your homestay guy, your host Aryan. We are at Curzon today at our new property, Royal Cottage Camp. It's a 2.5 acre property which has its own uniqueness with stay and activities around it, which I'm going to show you in this video. Keep watching this video. You'll be surprised to see the size of cottages and pool. Friends, let's start. Okay, once you enter the property, there is a reception at your right hand side where you can done all your check-in process. Once you're done with your check-in process, let me show you the garden, okay, which has huge lawn area, which is good for parties, get together of any kind of function. If you want to throw party, you can do it here. We have huge garden area, that is our lawn. Okay, now let me take you to our royal dining area where you can satisfy your hunger, where 50 to 60 people can easily dine at a time. Right, you heard me right. 60 people can sit in this dining area and eat at once for the functions or anything. Let me take you the kids area where we have slides, jhulas, trampoline for the little ones. As you see, that the small girls is also jumping on the trampoline. It's been a fun experience for the little ones. We have plenty of play. Now let me take you with my flying mode on. Let's do it. Ooh. Okay, so this is the lawn and main gate at the reception, which you can see. This is the upper view where we are going. Now we are entering the big people activity area. We have mount rappelling also. This is the artificial mount which we have built, where you can do the mount rappelling thing. All the safety precautions are there. We have safety instructions also. We've done so many. The expert in mount rappelling. You can meet him while you are staying. Okay, let me show you the swimming pool also. This is the swimming pool. It's the biggest pool you'll find here with lots of open space. There is a rain dance also for the who loves to dance in rain. That is the rain dance. Okay, now let's back to the campsite, guys. Oh, okay, before crossing the road, you always check left and right. Okay, we'll check the left, right. Okay, now it's clear. Go to the main part. Now our main part of the video are tent cottages. Let's check them out. It's a huge tent cottage with inside 2 toilets and bathroom with 2 beds capacity of 16 people. Yes, you heard me right. 16 people can sleep in the one single tent. We have bunk beds in the tent. You can see these are the 2 bunk beds which you can experience this unique experience. And yes, inside to this tent we have 2 separate toilet bathrooms. Right, bathroom 1 is the western style and second one is the Indian style. We have both mixed combination, whichever you like. It's up to you. Okay, wait, check out the tent interior again. Let me show you the things. And also we have air conditions. Right, we have air condition, which is the best part of it. That's it for today, guys. Actually, there are 3 more couple rooms also, and the conference room also in this property. And there is a separate gaming room also where we have carom board, table tennis, books. Who really loves to book that out. And that's it for today's. Till then, be happy, be healthy, be wealthy. Keep smiling, keep traveling, guys. I'm your homestay guy. I'll take your leave. I'll see you at the next property. Ciao.